Hi, this is Laura from LanguageArtsTeachers.com, and I wanted to make a quick video to show you what is inside the membership area in case this is something that you've got questions about, if you want to see what is exactly inside. So on the main LanguageArtsTeachers.com website, you'll go to the top right, you'll click Login, and you'll see here that we have the login page set up. Okay, you'll see it as soon as it opens, but the username and password that you use to log in is something that will come automatically in your email. And of course, if you don't like your username, if you want to change your password, you can do that upon login. So once you log in, this right here is the first thing that you see. This is the member homepage. And so you'll see that automatically, whether you choose a monthly or yearly package, you have access to all the same information. You have 6th grade, 7th grade, and 8th grade lesson plan units. So even if you only teach 6th grade, you could still access 7th grade and 8th grade lesson plan units if you want to provide activities for your higher level students. In the same way, if you teach 7th or 8th grade students, you could scaffold back and provide differentiated instruction for your struggling students by reaching back into the lower grade levels. Okay, so anyway, let's say that you are interested in 8th grade lesson plan units. You're going to click on 8th grade and automatically, here are the 4 huge main units that I am currently working on. So 9-week narrative reading and writing unit. Let's look at this one real quick. You can click on that. You can use these units in any order. Now I haven't started on the expository or the descriptive units yet. Those are coming soon, but I just want to show you what's inside. So the 9-week unit is completely done, and you can see it's set up by week. There's a snapshot of what is in each week's unit, just to help you with planning. And so those are all completely done, right down to review games, activities, unit tests, closing lessons for the end of the unit. So everything is right here. Let's go ahead and click on one of these and I can show you what it looks like inside. So let's say you click on week 1, you'll see it download. That whole week will download in the bottom left section of your screen. And so for me, I'm going to click on open when done. We're going to open it up, and I just want to show you a couple of things that might really help you if you are trying to figure out how to use all this. So here's grade 8 argument and persuasion week 1. You'll notice that everything is numbered. So the numbers represent grade 8, week 1, day 1, S is for student, and that's the exit ticket you'll need for that day. And then it just goes through. So grade 8, week 1, day 2, day 2S means those are handouts that you'll need to make copies of for your kids. Day 3, day 4, you've got PowerPoints in here, you have bell ringers, as well as the actual teacher lesson plans. So that's what that looks like when you download it. Okay, so we're going to back out of this, and that puts you right back into the 6th grade, 7th grade, and 8th grade lesson plan units. So everything is here to access. Let me show you something real quick, actually. Let's click on 6th grade lesson plan unit, for example. So these are some of the 6th grade ones I've done. And let's look at the 3-week unit, Introduction and Analysis of Various Genres. So even though this is in the 6th grade unit, I mean, this could be so useful either as an introduction or as a review for any grade level. But anyway, I wanted to show you. So week 1 is done, week 2 is done, week 3 is not quite done. It says nearly finished, and then it shows you what that week will include. So this means that I'm almost done with it, not quite. I'm not ready to upload it yet, but if, for instance, if this is something that somebody needed pretty soon, just email me or let me know in the forums, and then I'll just add that to the top of my priority list. So not a big deal. All right, one last thing. Let's talk about the forums. The discussion forum is for teachers. It's for us to talk with each other either about the lesson plans or about your mean principal, or I'm just kidding, or anything that's related to teaching, to students, problems that you may come across, or it's just a place to talk about some good things that are happening. You can access the forum by clicking here or by going up here and clicking this. So I'll just click that. And it is a private members only forum. It's just for us. It's behind that protected wall that is put up when you log in. And so this is where it happens. Welcome, what can we help you with today? So you click on this link here that says welcome to our private members only community is I think what it says. You click that, Here we go. And so this is actually me right here. So I'm just inviting you to introduce yourself a little bit, ask your first question today. And so this is where you would give yourself a title, and then you would post any question or any concern you have here, and then myself or anybody else in the forum can respond to you and help you out. So that's pretty much how the membership community works. I hope that answers all your questions, and I'll have more videos to come in the future showing you how everything works.